Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm going to share the derivative trade size calculator. It'll be proved to be valuable, especially for our members in the Alerts Trader Discord room, and also mines in the mining trades Discord room. Now, this is the same one that you see on the on my videos. Now, you might be able to just take this and convert it over to a Google Doc sheet pretty easily if you don't have Excel, okay? Because you would have to buy Excel to use this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this into the Discord room right now while I'm recording. I believe I do that by share, working on it, manage, shared with two. Okay, shared with two. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what is it saying? Share this link. Manage shared with two. What's shared with two? Owner and elsewhere. Okay. Let's go ahead and hit that. Oh God, why did it happen like that? All right, let's go back. Share as attachment. Share link. Edit link. View only link. Let's edit the link. Share link as. I'm not sure. Share link as. Share as link. Okay, let's go to Discord. I said edit. Let's see. Video tutorials, information, general. Suggestions, Alerts Trader. We'll go to All Talk first. All right, here's the link to the file. All right, this file is called the position size. I'll just share it first and then I edit it later. Share first and edit it later. Derivative trade size calculator. It should go with the video leverage, position size, and PnL. All right, so I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to download this and edit it on your own. So let's talk about that once you get it. Head back over here. Just want to explain some of the things in here. I'm going to be adding some things like, what is this here? This is like a take profit or a half a percentage point right here. All right. So what you would do is you always enter in your entries. You don't have to enter it here. So I should remove the color. This color means you can enter in things you want to enter in. Okay. So I want to take these colors and remove them because actually you don't have to enter anything in here. So clear. What would clear do? Oh God, that looked ugly. Put that back. I want to clear formatting. The light orange color you see here, or whatever beige color you see here, means that it's editable. I mean, that means it's looking for you to input. Okay. Values. So I need to remove this. Excuse me. And let's just say fill. I don't know what that did. That was weird. I said fill. Okay, let's go here again. Let's go to edit. And then let's pull this up and see if I can get some normal looking. Select range, fine. Format cells, format number. No, actually, absolutely not. All right, so I guess what I want to do, here we go. It comes up like right there. So let's go into fill color. Clear, we know that's not going to work. Clear formats. Yes, we have it. And then let's go back and give us our text size back. All right. Bear with me as I'm learning how to use it on the mobile as I walk through it with you guys. Put this around there. Oh, come back. Where'd you go? All right. Borders. All right. Now, price move, don't get it mixed up with PnL, okay? So it took price 19 to move a percentage point of a half of percent, all right? The value of Bitcoin, a half percent of the value of Bitcoin, okay? Let me get rid of this, all right? Right here. The value of Bitcoin should be entered in right here. You should enter this in yourself. I like to enter my whatever position I just took because that's the last price I traded at. Right, so I would change this to last price traded. Okay, and then you enter that in here. So let's say I enter a short position at 39, 3,900. Okay, and I would enter that in, and everything else updates around it. Okay, let's just say I got about $14 in the account, which is right now is exactly 0.0037. All of that stuff should be added. And then if you want to make things easy for yourself, take this and do the, how do you do formulas in this thing? This formula right here could be, delete it, go equal to the Bitcoin value right here. All right, and hit enter. And everything should, let's back it up. Back it up, USD. All right, so I guess what I meant to say was this USD value, right now, what you really need to focus on is what can be edited, all right? What's editable? The Bitcoin value in this one, and the USD value in this one, and the Bitcoin value in this one. So it turns your 14 can be, edited. You can type it in right here. So if I typed it in right here, what's going to happen? Let's see if I remember this correctly. Let's put, let's say we put, come on, pop up. All right, let's say we put $25, okay? Matter of fact, let's put the bare minimum, 10. See how it says C1? It's important that you see that. $10, all right. Now, it updates the blue. Take the blue, and you don't ever want to edit it. Just take the blue. Let's put it down here. I'm going to do it equal. And then I'll just select the blue. BTC up here, the output. The blue is colored blue for output. And we'll use that as the input over here. Hit enter. And bam, that's how you get everything to shake and bake in the end. All right. So that way, like say you might want to enter a Bitcoin value right here. Okay. You might say, let's enter 1 Bitcoin. What's the value of 1 Bitcoin? We already know. It's whatever you put up here as the last traded price. All right. So if I can get this thing to pop up, double click. All right. 1 Bitcoin value coming right up. I think I got to delete this. Delete. It's interesting. Delete. All right. Now I'm going to do one Bitcoin. Okay. Enter. Now that's 1 Bitcoin. Now all you got to do is take this value right here. Right. Press enter. Press equal, and then touch the blue line. The blue one for the available balance down there. Plus 10. Why would do such a thing? Delete, 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 enter. All right, bam. And then you add everything up. So what you didn't notice was that all the values over here are changing up as well. 1 second. I gotta remove this. All right. Oh, this is the minimum size. Okay, this is the minimum size. I can't get it to go any smaller than that. Okay. Now, so bear with me. I'm going to be showing you why this calculator is cool. So once you get, like, say, you got a value you want to trade at, right? Let's say you want to trade with how much money? Let's say, come on. Let's say we want to trade with edit. Come on. Delete 0.0026. All right, enter. That's about $10 USD. Okay, and you come over here and you can say, I want to use leverage of 50. Okay, enter. You see that leverage also corresponds to over here. If you just